Hi, I'm Dan at Michael Engineering. This is our Compact Perfect Flow. This compact, air-driven meter mix system is capable of dispensing self-leveling two-part epoxies, polyurethanes, silicones, and methacrylates in a wide variety of adjustable ratios. It is standard for the Compact Perfect Flow to come mounted on caster wheels to allow mobility and easy handling. This unit comes with a foot switch operated snuffback gun that stops the material flow quickly and cleanly. Attached to this dispenser using 12-foot hoses, it is set up and mounted on a highly adjustable 5-axis stand so the operator can freely handle and move the substrate. Some more of the options included in this unit are an adjustable flow valve, adjustable heated hose, and heated reservoir on the resin side, as well as desiccant tubes in both lids to keep moisture off the material. This Compact Perfect Flow is an excellent choice for a wide array of jobs. Give us a call today to learn how this machine can make your job easier.
Simple, economical, dependable at michaelengineering.com. For all dispensing needs, you can contact us for speed at